More than good advertising to change their mind. It's going to take a product, and I say you gentlemen have that product, the Zephyr cigarette.
Eddie, you were great that day. Just great.
How could anybody be afraid of a cigarette made with glycerin? It takes the hardness out, softens tobacco, makes it taste smoother, but more important, it makes the cigarette burn more evenly. Now, what's another way of saying burn more evenly? The word is clean. The clean one. Gentlemen, may I present A Time to Live. There's a time to live when everything is clean, fresh, young, and good. Every man has that time. He only needs to take it.
Just great. Eddie.
And when you do take along the Zephyr, the clean one, made to burn clean with...
She's beautiful, isn't she?
Zephyr, the clean one. Part of your time to live.
That's it, gentlemen. That's all.
The clean one. Do you realize the significance of that claim? I'm sure you do. Thank you. Thank you. That's it.
Eddie, marvelous presentation.
Thank you.
Doing a
I
great
must
job.
say, I thought it was really an excellent presentation.
What the hell are you always laughing at?